Hey everybody, it's Nicole. So hopefully you just finished watching my live because we did have a live today. I did a pour today. We poured two items today. We did my flower mold and the pill tray. Did some fun things and then unmolded the crochet bottom and then the flour that I poured the other day just for fun. And so now I am going to have to go out in search of a pattern for that base. So that might take me a little bit because I tend to be super picky about what I use my yarn on, even though I have kind of a ton of it. Anyway, that's not what this video is for. This is for my New Year's giveaway. So first you gotta be subscribed and check out the other videos because those are as well. I think this will be number 3. And so let's get right to it. I'm going to show you what the other prizes are going to be added for the scavenger prize. And then the other thing too is that a couple of or several of you have said that you wouldn't mind getting something from Japan since we will be going on February 1st, which actually is like a week and a half away. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So and so yeah, I am so excited. I know my kids are excited. My husband's excited. It's gonna, of course, getting there is gonna be the hard part. 13-hour flight from LA to Osaka because that's where we're going. Yeah, that'll be an adventure. So with that being said, let's get down to it. So I am going to be, where did it go? Where'd it go? Oh my gosh, I think I'm losing my head. All right, I've had so many things going on. All right, so I had put down one of my prizes somewhere else and I'm like, where did it go? Where did it go? So now, hopefully you'll like these additions to the prize pack. Like I said, I try to keep things well-rounded. And so here we go. All right, so I'm giving, and I apologize, one of the bands has come off, but you will be getting 2 of these 2 skeins of Brown Sheep Company ink based in Mitchell, Nebraska. I know where Mitchell, Nebraska is. My father-in-law is from Nebraska. And so I used to live in Iowa for a little while. It's Lamb's Pride, 85% wool, 15% mohair. It says it's permanently moth-proofed. I've never seen that before. And it is worsted weight, single ply, 190 yards. Color number is M as in Mary 72, and it's this really nice turquoise aqua blue. So I'm gonna give you 2 skeins of it. It's wool, so but it is a very nice yarn, and I want to say this is maybe a hand-dyed yarn. I've never heard of this brand either, but it's a very nice yarn. Next, I am giving 2 skeins of fantasy yarn from Hobby. It is aqua blue, teal, sea green, and you got a little bit of mustard in there, maybe a little black and purple. It's 100% acrylic. And it is 164 yards, and it is a bulky 5 weight. So I'm giving you 2 skeins there. Hopefully that's enough to work this into something. And these go well together. That's why I picked these 4 together. Next, I am also giving this 1 skein here. This is a really nice yarn. It is Koigu Designs yarn. You can see there. This little hank here is worth 15 bucks. So this is a nice yarn. Let me see here. So it's it goes from a variance of like a lavender and deep purple and pink. And let's see, it says it's hand painted. Each dye lot is original painting. Dye code number has same colors used. And let me see here. It's 100% merino wool, and it's 175 yards. So there's that, and the hank is kind of coming apart, but I have never used this. It's very, very nice. It's you guys know koigu is a very nice yarn. And then because like I said, I like keeping the prices well-rounded, I'm also giving you a pom-pom for stocking cap, whatever it is you would like to use. It is super soft. It was in a this plastic bag, but I had to take it out to make sure that that's what it was. And it's by Toft UK, and it's this light gray color, and it's made from 100% alpaca. It is really, really soft. Now that's what I believe this is. It's got this string here. I'm sure you guys will know how to use this, but it is an absolutely gorgeous item. Price tag on here says it's $8.99. So it's made in Peru, and like I said, it's really, really soft. It came in this plastic bag. I will put it back in the plastic bag so that it does not get messed up any further. You guys know I don't normally like opening things that are in the plastic bags, because I like to keep things as they are, but I needed to make sure that I thought this was a pom-pom, but I couldn't tell just by looking at it this way. But so I needed to take it out because there was just this cardboard thing, so with no description. So I needed to take it out to make sure that it was indeed a pom-pom. So far what's included: you get a pattern book, you get a and that was knit picks, you get a furls streamlined metal hook, you get a furls project bag, and then I am giving away lots of other yarn. I'm giving hobby yarn, the koigu yarn, and then some red heart yarn, and there's more to come. I'm going to try to put out one more video before I go to Japan. And then oh, the other thing too that I want to include in this video is that I'm also including a custom item that is made by me. You can choose from let's see, let's do 2 molds. You can do either the pill tray or the flower mold. Let me, hold on one second. I'll be right back. This is the mold that I am talking about, and obviously you can put whatever you want. I'll let you choose a couple of colors, and you can do like, this is the lace effect, or you can just do fireworks in it. You can do what else? You can do 3D bloom, or this, the lace effect, and you can choose up to 3 colors. So once I've added what I wanted to all the prizes, once I come back from Japan, and then I give you guys all the clues you need to look for in order to enter. You guys know that it's time to start searching. That's why it's called scavenger hunt, and I will tell you exactly what you need to look for. And I know you guys enjoy it. It's a ton of fun. So I have one more live before I go, and that is on Tuesday at, I think it's either at 10:30 or 10:45, and we'll unmold what I did today, and then we'll pour a new one. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to do one more live before I go to Japan. Maybe I'll do, other than next Tuesday, maybe I'll try to do one more. Or what I'll do is after I pour it, I will unmold it so you guys don't have to wait forever to see what I have after I've poured, and I will unmold it. I'll record it before I leave. So I'll do that so you guys aren't waiting for like 2 or 3 weeks. So keep your eyes peeled for at least one more prize video before I go to Japan. And like I said, you must be subscribed, like, comment down below, and I will, as usual, put a short out so that you can check out the prizes, and then definitely check out this video. This is the long form because you will need the information from the videos in order to enter into the scavenger prize giveaway. And I always say this, and just as a reminder, put things in a story. Don't make it so easy for all the other entries. Because if you think you've got all the correct answers, then you don't want to, have somebody necessarily cheat off of what you've got out there, and then make something up. I look at every single one of the comments when it comes time for the entries, and I really, really do enjoy reading these stories, and you guys will know if everything is correct, if I've liked it and hearted it, and yeah. So but you must be subscribed. That's the most important part, and I've really enjoyed having you guys along for this ride. And then I'm hoping to, at some point when I'm on my trip, take pictures, post videos and stuff. We'll see if I have time or if I'm not too exhausted. So until my next one, I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.